What's up guys, this is Arshad and I'm back with another video. And today I have the HyperX Duocast microphone. This microphone is really good for gaming, podcast and streaming. So let's unbox it and go through all the features. Let's get right into it. This is the box, guys. So there are some features mentioned here. Let me read them out for you. There's low profile shock mount, tap to mute sensor and two polar patterns. The two polars are cardioid and omnidirectional. Let me show you it. Yes. This is compatible with PC, PS5, PS4 and Mac. Given right over here in the front. Not sure if you can see it, but it's given there. Right, so first let's unbox it. Cut off the tape. Open it up. Let's see what we got here. Okay, that is a big box. Okay, here it is. Yep, is it? Let me open it. Okay, let's take out the mic. Oh my god, it's right here. This is the mount and this is the absorber. Over here we got the USB-A to USB-C type cable, and then we got the mount adapter so that you can mount it to table mounts and all. And not gonna lie, this is big and it is looking really professional. And then we have this quick start guide, the instruction manual. So you see these pictures, how to attach it, use it and stuff. That's it in the box. Okay, so at the top here is the tap to mute sensor, as you can see. And then it has a premium look and you can adjust the angle if you want. You can unscrew it and adjust the angle however you want it to be. You can tighten it again, unscrew it, keep however you want. Right, and the quality is looking really nice. And then this also has an inbuilt pop filter, so you need not put a pop filter outside. It's really good. Right, and then you have the gain volume adjustment wheel. You can adjust the volume of the microphone, and over here is the RGB ring light. So you have a app to control the light, which is Ingenuity. It's only available for Windows, not Mac. Remember that, guys. Other than that, the microphone looks really premium. Guys, always remember this is a condenser type microphone, so it's really sensitive. It can capture even the smallest sounds. But in the application there's artificial intelligence noise cancellation feature, so you can use that if you want. So let's check it out. Okay, so this is the microphone, guys. It's $70. Okay, so first is the customizable RGB light ring. You can customize this from the app Ingenuity. Let me tell you, it's only available in Windows, not in Apple or Mac. Next, the high resolution 24-bit 96 kHz recording. So it will capture accurate low noises. A low profile shock mount, which is kind of like a shock absorber. The tap to mute sensor and gain control adjustment. We saw this. The two polar patterns, I already explained it. And then is the app. Let me tell you again, it's only available in Windows. You can customize the light of the mic. It has output jack, mount adapter and internal pop filter. You saw this earlier. And lastly, multi-device and program compatibility. We saw this too. It's compatible with PC, PS5, PS4 and Mac. So now let me press a few keys on my keyboard and you can probably hear it. Now let's also test the tap to mute. Yeah, so ready, 1, 5, 6. Okay, so it should cut off in the middle. So that's it. For the price, it's really premium actually. Anyway, if you like this video, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.